The great companies, great products are building by great teams. Vision, strategy, road mapping, and metrics. To be a first principle thinker, to be a great team player, and having growth mindset. And you have challenges that nobody solved before. It will be partnership. It's a team game. I feel it from the beginning that I joined the company. And my first day at the company was officially first day of lockdown. I was a professional chess player, have some sport, taking the cold shower and go for a walk with my dog.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you doing?
Good, good. I like the weather in Barcelona. It's warmer than I usually have, so I like it. Hi, my name is Artur.
How did it turn out that you became a product manager first? How did you cut in the whole product management industry?
Yeah, I started my career in finance and business consulting. It was an Accenture about 12 years ago. And after 2 years, I understood that this was a great time there, but it's not the right place for me. And I started to find some next challenge, new opportunity for myself. And I thought those times that IT is mostly for engineering and designers. And one day I visited the career seminar, and the speaker explained that some other roles, and I knew about the product management role. And it's such a kind of the bridge between business and engineering. And it sounds interesting. And I thought maybe I can try myself for this role. And after preparation, I stopped my career at consulting, and I joined my first company as a business and system analyst. Those time it's called as an analyst, but I started my first job as a junior product manager. And this was how my career started at about 10 years ago as a product manager.
I see. What helped you to develop in your role to get successful?
It's my general career approach since those time. Every time I try to find the way how I can increase the impact that I can do through the company, through the product I developed. And following this principle, I usually try to learn more, to try to think bigger, and this helped me to continuously develop myself, and I think helped me personally grow as a professional.
How did you get to Manychat?
It was about 5 years ago, and I joined Manychat on March 2020. It was a pandemic time, as you remember. And my first day at the company was officially first day of lockdown. It was nervous. It was nervous, and yeah, I also was hired to lead one of our product stream. But with the pandemic and some market changes those time, in company decided to change the direction, and it was extra pressure for myself this time because hey, right now we decided to focus on the new one. It's something new that not we expected before you will join the company we lead. And I decided, okay, let's focus on what you can do, show your results, and let's see what will happen. Also understanding this all pandemic nervous we had, I started to learn more about the Manychat, start to talk with customers, try to impact to the business, and this is how I started.
Thank you. Can you share your continuous journey with Manychat, how you became the director of product?
Manychat, this time we had a Facebook Messenger as a main channel, and also we had a SMS and email. And after onboarding, I started to work on improving the quality of SMS channel. It's more about delivery, how to make the experience for our customers easier to use SMS for their marketing needs. In 2021, Meta opened API for Instagram, and we worked as a really big team for 5 product managers, 3-4 product teams for driving this new launch of Instagram as a platform for our customers. And it was a big challenge for the team to transformed the platform from being the messenger first as a one-channel oriented platform to multi-channel. After that, we started transform the platform, find the new markets for us with Instagram. And during the next period, I lead other launches in the platform. We did like the inbox. In 2023, I stepped into the role as a head of product. And right now I oversee the whole platform.
What is the thing that you're most proud of your achievements throughout your way in Manychat?
I definitely proud of the team we built because I feel that market and the environment are really fast changing. And during the last 4 years when I'm in the company, I remember time when we tried different directions, find the right way, what will be the next big thing for Manychat. And in these cases, in different scenarios, only a strong team. It's something that helps you to go through these challenges. And I'm really proud of the team we have and my contributors, how I help this team to grow. I think this is something that I'm most important on.
So what is Manychat?
Manychat is a chat automation platform for businesses and creators who do marketing and sales in social networks and messengers, such as Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. This was a more official explanation what is Manychat. But if you talk about more simple ways, Manychat is a platform with unlimited capabilities, how you can create automations of conversation which will work in your Instagram account, for example, or WhatsApp, starting from really simple part, how you answer one question and response to your customers, to create some automated games and quizzes in your DM.
Can you give us an overview of the market that Manychat operates in?
Manychat as a company, we operate in a high level as an industry, as a business communication, how businesses communicate with their clients. If you try to narrow it and focus and specify the market, we are focusing on small and medium businesses and creators who communicate with their clients on platforms such as Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. And we are also mostly focused on marketing and sales use cases. This is how we specify what we are really the best serve for our end users and why they try and use Manychat for. So the industry is really big because what is the trends happening with the market? Since the company started, we were the pioneer of the industry, of the chat marketing industry, and we see that it became normal that end users, customers, prefer to communicate with businesses through messenger channels. And this has already happened. Market is really huge. So just look, for example, we have only for creators, we have over 200 million creators all over the world. We have 100 million of small businesses, and all of them, they have to communicate with their clients, acquire them, convert them, serve them for support, for making sales. And this is why we believe it's important for us to be in this market. Why we believe it? Because we help them to grow. And this is also resonate in the part of our mission, how we can help businesses to grow by building meaningful relationships through messengers. So industry is really growing, and also it's important right now. It's happening with AI, specifically large language models. They unlock new capabilities, how communication between businesses and their clients can be managed by integrating AI there. But at the same time, we should remember that it's a high risk to fully delegate AI to communicate with their clients. And we are investing a lot in it, how to make it really easier for our customers to start to set up Manychat for their business, and at the same time to serve any potential risk for businesses to use it for their needs.
You already mentioned, but let's discuss it again. So what is the main value that Manychat brings as the product?
At the end of the day, we help businesses to grow and scale. So if you as a business for whom Instagram is one of the key platforms in their marketing strategy, we can help you to grow your followers, to grow engagement, to grow your conversions. And also as a benefit for you, the final outcome for your business, it will be the more sales, more clients, and also save time because he will immediately respond to all of your customers. You automate communications, initial communications with your clients who commented your post, who respond to your reels, and start a conversation in your DM. So at the end of the day, we help businesses to effectively scaling them and use these platforms and make this as a marketing machine for them.
Let's talk about Manychat as the company, as the team, as the structure. What is product team at Manychat look like? Can you give an overview of the structure?
Yeah, for sure. So the product organization at Manychat includes different communities. Product management community, engineering community, design community, product analysts, product marketing. And we have a product teams as a cross-functional teams, which include engineers, designers, product managers, analysts, and each team works on some specific domain and part of the product. In some cases, we have a big parts, big streams, working streams, and in this case, we union several teams in like as a product areas. So this is how we structured in terms of the product organization teams. Also, we have infrastructure team and data engineering team who support the core part of the platform. So we work as a biweekly streams, use agile methodologies that helps us to have a predictable cadence, deliver the value for our customers every 2 weeks.
What is a product area?
For some big initiatives that we have, for some big part of our products, we understand that we need several teams who work together, and we call it as a product area. For example, right now we have a product area who are focused on developing our AI solution. It includes different parts of our products, how its AI assistant work, how AI automations work, and we call it as an AI product area.
Can you share how we build strong relationships between product teams and development teams?
The core entity of product organization is product teams. And we believe that great products are built by great teams. And so we're investing a lot how we building this connection and strong relationship inside the teams and connection between engineering, product managers, and designers, because this is a trio who are working in day-to-day approach together, figure out the customer's problem and find the right solution. And with the main idea how we can deliver the more value for our customers in every sprint we have. So how we establish a strong connection by fundamentally think this is a partnership, is how we being open-minded, how we giving feedback for each other, and be the first principle thinker what goal we want to achieve. Because if you have one goal, if you have a shared goal, only in this case you will be aligned what you do and focus on result.
Then let's talk about goal settings. How goals are set in Manychat.
On the top level, we have a company vision, which also correlates with what we have a product vision. And based on the vision, we have a strategy. So when we go down, we have a strategic roadmap, our metrics and OKRs, and we review it in a regular base, based on quarterly. And this is how we think about the OKRs and the goal setting approach. Vision, strategy, road mapping, and metrics. Especially for product teams, we have a understanding, okay, this is the main goal for this quarter. Okay, how we can contribute to this goal, how we can, what initiatives will be specifically important to aim these metrics we want to drive. But also, we believe that not only tactical steps will be important for us as a future. We have some strategic initiatives that have a more long-term impact on the company and on the product, of course. So this is the second big part of what we have in our roadmap. Also, we have others too, infrastructure part and the support, because we already have a big product. We have millions of customers who use Manychat, so we understand that we have to support it and have a balance between growth initiatives, strategic, infrastructure, and support the platform, and develop the product for the future success.
Let's talk about the new features, new ideas for Manychat. Where does new ideas come from? Can any team member suggest new ideas? Maybe you have some interesting stories to share.
Yeah, for sure. One of our key company values is a Dazzle Customers. And this is what we follow as a product organization, as a product managers, designers, engineers. Listen to your customer. And most of all of our ideas started with the insights we get from our customers. It might be insights from data, it might be insights when you have a conversation with your customer, or requests from a support requests. All of this data help you as a foundation when you start to think what we can do, how we can improve the platform, or what kind of ideas we can bring to the platform. So we started this ideation process with this one. But also we keep in mind that the customers, they don't know what really they want. They only can tell you about their needs, their pain points. And this is our job to figure out how we can serve this, how we will package the solution for them.
What are the most exciting projects that we are currently working on?
So right now, when we see that the AI technologies becoming part of our life, we also integrate into the platform. And this is maybe the most exciting with we are working right now, how we're revising the core experience of the platform with AI and working on providing more value for our customers by integrating AI into the automations.
How would you personally describe Manychat culture?
For me, if I try to describe the Manychat culture in one word, it will be partnership. It's a team game. I feel it from the beginning that I joined the company, that the great companies, great products are building by great teams. And this is what I think fundamentally describe Manychat as a company, that we have one company, we're building one product, and we operate as a one team. So I think it's fundamental thing about the Manychat.
Perfect. And we have several values, and how are they integrated in our everyday life?
When I think about values, values is something that defines the culture, and culture how we make decision in day-to-day approach. And it's easier to think about it from maybe based on real examples. Just for example, let's take a value we have as a win together and dazzle customers. Several months ago, we faced some issue with the support. And our customers, they saw some problems with the platform, and our support team cannot handle those amount of tickets we had. And we made a decision as a company that the whole company in this moment should help our support organization and general for our customers how to solve the tickets, how to improve the platform, and to make the experience with the platform is much more better for them. So I think it was a good example when in the moment we sit together and every team started to think, okay, how specifically my team can contribute to the help support team, first of all, help our customers, and make the system improvement to the platform for avoid the situation in the future. This was a big example I shared about how we as the different teams, different functions help support our organizations to solve the problem we had. But let me share some maybe more simple example how we integrate the values in a day-to-day approach. For example, when you're making decision of scope of the feature you are going to deliver, we are asking ourselves, how dazzle we our customers with this scope? And in some cases, we can make decisions that we can extend the scope, especially to deliver more value for customers, than just to make it more pure decision for this particular sprint. I think that following the idea that we want to deliver the best solution we can to serve the customers in this particular case, can help us to build the platform we have. And this, I think it's really important.
What people would be a great part of Manychat team? What personal or professional traits would help them to be the perfect culture fit?
I believe that for every Manychatter, it's important to be a first principle thinker, to be a great team player, and having growth mindset.
Any piece of advice for candidates out there who want to join Manychat on how to prepare for the interview, or generally any piece of advice you would give to someone who would like to join the Manychat team?
The main advice initially when you prepare for interview, just do a quick research about the platform on a YouTube. Try to connect your account to Manychat to play with the platform. I think this is important how you feel what is the platform about. This is especially for product managers, designers, engineers, it's 100% necessary to be great prepared for interview you will be. And the next one, I can highly recommend you to listen some podcast videos with many chatters who presented and talk about the company culture, listen to our videos from the Manychat conferences we built especially for our clients, and it's a good moment how you can feel the company culture, the vibes we have inside the company and with our clients.
Tell us a bit about yourself, not as the product director, but you as a person. Are you more of a morning person, of a night owl? How are you feeling?
Yes, I'm 100% morning person. Usually I wake up at about 6 a.m. and I have a personal rule that I have to sleep at least 6 hours every night.
What helps you boosting energy? What are your tips for being energized throughout the day?
Yeah, so it's maybe typical, but I just try to do it every day. Have some sport, taking the cold shower, and go for a walk with my dog. This is just my morning routine, and evening I do some reflection after the day, and calm down in the evening, reading books. So this helped me to recharge on a day-to-day basis.
What's your sport to go?
I like running, bicycle, and gym. So it's something that I can just fully focus on the process and forget about the work and other stuff.
How do you develop? How do you learn new things?
So it also depends on what type of learning I want to give, with what type of skill. But at the end of the day, the best way I believe that is practice. So I try to mix being a book smart and a street smart. So I try to read a lot, and not only read, but get information from some YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, books, some Substack blogs. But at the same time, I try to do practice. When I learn something, I try to apply this knowledge, and this is how I mix. And believe that this approach can help me to get new learnings on a regular basis.
What is the best piece of advice that you was ever given?
It was advice from the father, one of my friends, and we discussed some books, and he quoted the Ostrowski, and the quote was, "It's better to be than seem, do more and instead less out." So this was 10 years ago. It was about 10, 12 years ago, and it started to resonate with me. Just every time, everything you do, only results speak for yourself. Be focused on what you do, and this is the most important.
Perfect. I like that. Can you share something that might be a surprise? Well, like one surprise fact about you.
One surprise fact about me. I was a professional chess player. Maybe something else. I know a little bit Kazakh language. And I can play hang drum.
Hang drum?
Yeah.
Like this one?
Yeah.
So how does chess playing help you? Does it help you in work, in everyday life?
So it definitely helps me, and this is a specific mindset that when you should, first of all, when you play the chess, when you learn to play chess, you explain the strategy, how you think for the next move forward. This is the first one. Another one, when you play as a professional, you have a limited of time per game, and so it means that you have to make some decision. every time, every moment. And so this is a balance of being strategic and mix it with tactics. So this, I think, is one of the most important general mindsets that I took from my chess career.
I see.
Yeah.
Thank you. So let's start again.
Yeah, but this is it.
But these are 3.
Oh, sorry. And, сейчас я повторю. Form when you can.
Саша, Сань, иди, да.